I recommend AnyBiz is a big difference maker for us, and this great team that provides support. They're always available. My name is Pranam Lipinski, and I am the co-founder of Email Outreach Company. We are a cold email lead gen agency that gets B2B appointments for growing startups and companies in the United States. And we also manage and run email marketing newsletters for our clients as well. AnyBiz has a great team that provides support more than other options that we found. So, their whole team is dedicated to your success, from the founder down to the support team. And so having that support makes all the difference when using a new tool or technology. Yeah, the overall experience has been pleasant because the team is always there. You can message the support team, you can message even all the way to the founder. And they're a very advanced group who have been working on this email automation and LinkedIn automation and AI space for a few years now. And they're very, very well researched in it. And so from our side, it's been that difference maker for us, is having that support all the way through. So, for what we do need the support, we do need the help, and having AnyBiz there is a big difference maker for us in the support. In the AI space, there's a lot of companies that have big promises, and they can be here today and gone tomorrow. But AnyBiz has been doing this for a few years now. They've been developing this for a few years, and they stand by their product, and they're always available. And so there are some quick, kind of get rich quick type of companies that pop up for freelancers who might have an AI solution or service, but it goes and it leaves just as fast as it came into the market. So it's nice where AnyBiz has the sticking power to always be there, and they're fully dedicated. So we have looked at other platforms. We have heard about other platforms from clients, and none of them seem to have the level of support and the level of commitment that AnyBiz has to the long run automation of SDR service through AI. I recommend AnyBiz because they are people who will work side by side with you to make sure that you get everything right. And they're always going to be there to help you every step of the way. And their technology is the best in the market that we've come across. And they are dedicated to your success in whatever level of support that you need. So I highly recommend AnyBiz and working with their team and their founders.